Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Learn Languages with Mooveez on your Android phone. So open up your Play Store, guys. And once you're on your Play Store, just go to apps. And you want to go ahead and maybe use a search here and just type in Mooveez or something like that, right? Once you go ahead and start to type that in, you can hit search and it will search for it. And here you can find Learn Languages with Mooveez. You click on that and then you can install this on your phone. That's pretty much it. You just need to wait about a minute or so for it to download and install on your phone, and that's gonna be very fast, and you can basically open that and set up the application in no time. Installation is super quick as well. So as you can see right here, I'm currently installing it, and in a moment it will be ready to open. So as you can see, it's done. I click on open, and this is Mooveez, guys. You simply click on start right here. You can ensure that your country is set up correctly, or you can continue with your email. It's really up to you, or your Google account. I'm going to continue with my Google account right here. So I'm going to select email address here for Google, and as you can see, it is there, Andrew. I'm going to click on continue right there, then continue again, select my language. What language do you speak? I'm going to select English there, and from here it says, okay, you need to just basically answer a few more questions, right? So it says, which one of the description best describes you? You want to start from scratch. Choose your native language. I'm going to select English right there. It says basically, as children, we're in contact with the language every day. So it just basically allow you to set a time. I'm going to just continue right here, and you can set alarm as well if you want. I'm going to just say no for now, right? Click and agree. And the process is pretty straightforward. So here you can just basically scroll through and ensure you go through each of these steps to complete. Then you will see right here that says load. Then you can basically continue as well. As you can see right here, just basically continue those slide-ins right there. Then it's going to load again, as you can see. So it loads another percentage. Basically do the same, right? Just take a moment to load the course, and you can just continue to do that until it basically loads. So it's really up to you guys. While it loads, you can just go through these and basically, or you can just really wait. It's really up to you guys, but I like to scroll through and to see what is there, right? And as you can see, if I don't do anything, you will see that it's still loading. So scroll through, familiarize yourself with these different tabs here. They will also move by themselves as well, but it's just, you just need to wait for the course to load. So I'm going to wait until this actually completes. Right here it's at 100%, and here it says select a course. So you can tap on that, and basically you see here the speaking, the today. As you can tap through, you can see what is there, right? It's a really interesting app, guys. Really cool app. So you can basically go through and select whatever you want. If you'd like to learn more about it, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to create tutorials for it so that you can learn how to fully use this application as well. Well, thank you guys for watching. Looking forward to see you in the next video.